Cheerleader. Today I have an amazing full body, head to toe daily stretch planned for y'all. And this one is going to literally help you feel stretched from your head all the way down to your toes. And you can do this one morning, during your day, or at night to feel your best. Now, before we get into today's video, I just want to give a loving shout out of thanks to today's video sponsor, Magic Mind. I know y'all have probably seen these in my stories, and I have had these guys on my channel before because they quite literally are magic in a bottle for your body and your mind. And the reason why I love them is they really help with your energy levels naturally, so you don't get the jitters when you drink them. They're really amazing for helping with focus, and they're really great at combating stress. And for all the natural ingredients, y'all know I'm very particular about everything I put inside of my body, and I would give these an A+ for nutrition, but also the effect that they have on you just makes you honestly feel amazing. Like, you notice a difference, at least I have, when I've drinking them. It's been a couple of days now that I've been drinking them every day, and I've noticed a significant difference in just feeling more calm, more cool, more confident, and just feeling more energized naturally. And y'all know, as a yogi, that's the kind of feeling we want to have all day long. So I would definitely suggest you guys check out Magic Mind. They're the perfect fuel for your yoga, for your workouts, or whatever kind of stresses you guys are dealing with throughout your day. And I'm gonna put a link below, and you will get up to 48% off your first subscription, or up to 20% off a one-time order. So go and check that out, guys. And now let's get into today's stretch video.